Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you on how to make the perfect peanut butter banana smoothie. Yes, with only 3 ingredients. I'm telling you, I know that you all are gonna enjoy it, so please do not forget to share this video. Also give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much in advance, and stay tuned for the video. So this is at least 4 tablespoons of my peanut butter, and I also have 1 cup of my almond milk, and this is my banana, and this is at least 6 ripe banana. Okay, but first I'm just gonna peel my banana. I have my blender right here. Just gonna add it to my blender as I peel it, break it up. Yeah, so once I finish add my banana, I'm gonna add my peanut butter. Oops. Then I'm also gonna add my milk. You can also add some ice. I'm gonna cover it up with a lid and then blend it until it became nice and smooth. Turn on my blender. So it is all finished blend. Look at that. So nice, so creamy, so delicious. Now I'm just gonna pour it all in my glass, but first I'm gonna add some of my peanut butter that I melt. Just add just a little bit in the glass, and I show you like so. And this is the best part. Now I'm gonna pour it in. You can add some ice. I'm gonna put mine in the fridge to chill. Look at that, so good. I'm gonna finish it off with some crushed peanut that I have. Just add to the top, yeah, like so. So there you have it. This is how I make my peanut butter banana smoothie. I'm telling you, it is super delicious. I mean, just look at it. If you try it, please comment below and tell me what it's like. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye, and do enjoy. So yummy.